DJI has officially dropped a new promo video for the DJI Osmo Action 6, confirming key details that fans have been waiting for. After weeks of leaks and speculation, we finally have a clear look at what DJI's latest action camera brings to the table, and it's shaping up to be one of the most powerful compact cameras the brand has ever released. At the heart of the Osmo Action 6 lies a 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing a massive 38 megapixels. This marks a significant jump in resolution and dynamic range compared to its predecessor, promising sharper details and improved low-light performance. Whether you're filming mountain trails, underwater dives, or city adventures, the sensor ensures crisp and vibrant results every time. One of the standout features of this camera is its variable aperture lens, f/2.0 to f/4.0, giving users far more creative control over exposure and depth of field. This flexibility makes it easier to adapt to changing lighting conditions, bright sunlight, cloudy skies, or dim indoor settings, without compromising image quality. On the video side, the Osmo Action 6 offers 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, making it perfect for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage. For even faster frame rates, users can drop to 1080p at 240 frames per second, opening up new creative possibilities for sports, cinematic moments, and action sequences. Stabilization has also received a serious upgrade with Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady technology. These systems work together to eliminate shakes and maintain level horizons, even during extreme movements or fast-paced shots. Adding to its adventure-ready design, the Action 6 is water-resistant up to 20 meters without any external housing, a big leap for divers and travelers who need reliability straight out of the box. Despite these upgrades, it maintains a lightweight form factor at just 149 grams, making it easy to mount anywhere or carry on the go. Overall, the new DJI Osmo Action 6 delivers a perfect mix of performance, versatility, and durability, setting a new benchmark for compact action cameras in 2025. The countdown to DJI's next big reveal has officially begun, and all signs point to December 18th, 2025, as the day the DJI Pocket 4 finally takes the stage. According to insider reports, including an email leak from PhotoRabs, DJI is strategically positioning this announcement within a razor-thin window, between December 18th and December 23rd, 2025. The reason behind this carefully timed reveal isn't just marketing, it's survival. Here's why timing matters more than ever. Under the 2025 National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, the FCC must decide by December 23, 2025, whether to audit DJI for national security compliance. If that audit doesn't happen in time, DJI risks being automatically added to the FCC blacklist, a move that could cripple its ability to sell in the US. Given that the American market makes up nearly 40% of DJI's global revenue, this isn't just a technical concern, it's a business lifeline. By announcing the Pocket 4 before that deadline, DJI can maintain product certifications, keep sales channels open, and ensure visibility in one of its most critical markets. But let's talk about the camera itself, because the Pocket 4 isn't just about politics, it's about performance. Reports from Shenzhen suggest that internal DJI employees are already testing the device in stores, comparing it directly with the Pocket 3. Leaked test footage points to massive improvements in low-light video quality, stabilization, and dynamic range. These real-world tests imply that mass production is already underway, and the marketing engines are gearing up for launch. Beta testers and influencers are likely preparing side-by-side comparisons that will drop right alongside the official reveal. As for pricing, DJI seems to be following its proven formula. The base Pocket 4 is expected to land between $699 and $799 USD, while a Pro or Zoom variant could follow in early 2026 at around $899 USD. Meanwhile, the Pocket 3 has already seen a sharp price drop to $529, a clear move to clear inventory before its successor hits shelves. In short, all indicators point to a December 18th launch, making this DJI's last major US product reveal before potential regulatory turbulence. With credible leaks, insider confirmations, and a product cycle that aligns perfectly with the 26-month gap since the Pocket 3's release, the Pocket 4's debut feels all but certain. The question now isn't if DJI will unveil the Pocket 4, it's how powerful this little camera will be when it finally arrives. The larger sensor promises better light capture, improved detail, and richer tones, delivering superior image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Adding to this is a variable aperture system, f/2 to f/4, a rare feature for action cameras. This allows users to adapt to different lighting scenarios, f4 for bright daylight and f2 for dim or indoor environments. Combined, the bigger sensor and adjustable aperture offer cleaner footage with less noise and more dynamic range, reducing the need for heavy post-production edits. However, introducing a variable aperture also raises durability concerns, as it involves moving parts in a rugged camera. Still, with rumors of enhanced stabilization and creator-focused workflow updates, the Action 6 looks ready to redefine what a compact, high-performance action camera can do.
The Pocket 3 was known for its rotatable screen and 1-inch sensor gimbal head, features that gave it power but also bulk. The new, streamlined Pocket 4 frame suggests DJI has re-engineered the device to optimize stability, comfort, and portability, perhaps shifting some components internally or using a lighter gimbal architecture. If this is true, DJI might finally have struck the perfect balance between pro-level capability and true pocket-sized design. What it all means. The appearance of a finalized safety and battery document is no small event. It indicates that DJI has moved past the conceptual phase into hardware testing, a stage that usually happens just months before launch. The reduced weight might represent a base model, with a heavier Pro variant, the one rumored to feature dual lenses and 8K video, coming later. Meanwhile, DJI is reportedly clearing out Pocket 3 inventory, hinting at preparation for the Pocket 4's arrival. Battery life could extend to around 180 minutes, with improvements to low-light performance and integrated audio systems. A clear message to rivals like Insta360, GoPro, and Vivo that DJI isn't stepping back from the compact camera race. So, while DJI remains silent, the leaks are speaking loudly. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just an upgrade. It's a signal that DJI's next leap in handheld innovation is already on the runway. Something small, sleek, and surprisingly powerful is coming. And this time, it might just redefine what pocket camera really means.